You have finally found a house that seems perfect, but you cannot shake the feeling that something about its past might be hidden. It is completely normal to want clear answers about a property's history, especially when it comes to whether anyone has died there. In this video, you will learn simple, practical ways to uncover a home's past so you can feel confident and informed before you decide to move in. Google the property address. Type your full street address and city into a search engine and put it in quotation marks, like 300 Main Street for more exact results. Then check what comes up, and also paste the address into social media search bars to see if anyone has posted about major events at that property. Check newspaper archives and obituary sites. Search old articles and obituaries to see if your home's address is mentioned. If you cannot search by exact address, use the city and state or region and narrow it down. In the US, you can also look up past residents in historical census or public records, then search their names on obituary or newspaper sites to see if they died while living at the property. Ask your realtor for more info. Realtors are not always required to mention deaths at a property, so you may need to ask directly. In the US, only a few states require disclosure of recent or violent deaths, but agents are not allowed to lie if you ask questions like, "Has anyone died on the property recently?" or "Are there any deaths associated with this home?" In some states, like North Dakota and Maine, they can only share this info if the seller agrees. Search through local vital records. Look up death certificates in local or national vital records databases to see if your address is listed as a place of death. In the United States, death certificates must include where the person died, so if someone passed away at your home, it should appear there. Speak with the homeowner directly. If you can talk to the current owner, ask what they know about the house's history and past residents. Someone who has lived there a long time may know whether any previous owners died on the property. You might say, "Do you know if any former owners died here?" Or, "Do you know anything about the previous owners and what happened to them?" Chat with the neighbors. Talk to nearby neighbors to see what they know about the property's history and past owners. Ask how long they have lived there and whether anything violent, criminal, or unusual has ever happened at the house you are interested in. Visit diedinhouse.com. Died in House is a paid service in the United States that checks if anyone died at a specific address. Enter the property address, pay a one-time fee, and get a report that may include deaths, fires, drug activity, and other incident history. At checkout, the site also explains death disclosure laws for your state, and they offer discounts if you buy multiple searches. Check housecreep.com. HouseCreep is a crowdsourced site where people share addresses linked to crimes or disturbing events. It mainly covers properties in the US and Canada with a few international entries and can give extra context about a home's past. Consult neighborwho.com. Neighborwho offers detailed background reports on a property for a monthly fee, focusing on ownership history, residence, and other public records. Enter the address or the name of a previous owner to see who lived there, how long they stayed, and any major events tied to that property. While it is not dedicated only to deaths, any reported deaths or serious incidents connected to that address may appear in the report. Pay a professional to investigate. If knowing the property's history is crucial for you, consider hiring a private investigator to dig into any past deaths or serious incidents. They may charge a flat fee, hourly rate, or deposit, so discuss costs and what they will check before you agree. You can use sites like Bark to find investigators in your area. Thanks for watching.